be showing you how to make a faux tree, plant, or flower look real. Here's the items you will be needing: a planter. I love these French Victorian looking planters. Some pebbles or rocks or stones. We got these at Lowe's. Some floral foam. We got this at Hobby Lobby. Pool noodles. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. Aluminum foil. This is optional. Or saran wrap. A faux tree, flower, or plant. Anything that you love. Here I'm just unboxing our gorgeous lemon tree, which I absolutely love and looks so realistic. I want to get it put together so it's ready. Here I am adding the flower foam to the bottom of the planter. I want the tree to sit up a little bit higher. I also like this because it molds around your tree and plant. So I just kind of push it down on the foam here. Now I am just cutting this flower foam. I really love it because I can wedge it in between the base of the plant to keep it from falling over and make sure it's nice and tight in there and exactly where I want it. Now I'm continuing to fill up the planter with either your floral foam or pool noodles. You can use either one you want. I like to make sure the planter is completely filled up, so when I put these rocks or stones in, it just fills the top and I don't have to use as many rocks. If you are doing an outdoor plant and planter, you can use sand. It really keeps it in place and not budge at all. This is optional. You can use aluminum foil or saran wrap to wrap above the pool noodles or foam. It just keeps the rocks from falling down. Now I'm just making sure all the rocks or stones are covering everything. After we have all the rocks placed, I just like to fluff the tree and make it look as real as possible. And now we have beautiful faux trees in our sunroom. I absolutely love how it turned out. Lemon trees are just gorgeous. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.